Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm back again with another video. It's Shell. For those of you that are new, thank you for tuning in. Anyway, today I'm just gonna be unwrapping a package that came in, or unboxing. Sorry. It's my main board, which I found it, and it was just some guy I knew who sells some random printers, and luckily he had this in stock, and yeah, I purchased it from him. Um, so anyway, let's get to it. Here's the main board, real quick. I got it in. Let me put this aside. But yeah, check it out. Here's the main board. So for those of you that don't know how it looks, this is how it looks. So yeah, what's very common with these is that when you're changing your print head, you can fry the fuse, and the fuse is right here. I'm gonna try to get in as close as possible. This fuse right here. So that's what burns. Or short circuits, whatever you want to call it, when you change out your print head. And like I did, which was I forgot to disconnect the USB cable. So when you're switching out a print head, make sure you take out that cable. So yeah, I just wanted to unbox this, show all of you that I got it. And yeah, the next video I'll show you how to install it. It's pretty simple. So for those of you that are going through the same process as I am, I have a video on how to remove this, and it's basically the same thing on how to install it. Basically, the way you remove it is the way you put it back. So yeah, I'll make that video shortly. So I'm excited to get this main board in, and basically what I want to do next is, since I have an extra printer here, I'll let all of you know if I decide to sell it, because I'm thinking of yeah, getting rid of that extra printer. I'll try to, I'll post it up on my website or something. Anyway, more information on that will come out later. So I just gotta put in the main board and test the printer, see if there's any issues with it, and hopefully there isn't. There shouldn't be. And yeah, and then I'll just move forward with it. Thank you for watching this quick little short video update on unboxing my main board. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I appreciate it, and please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. So yeah, you have a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace.